day 1 of Surnburn एक हिशोब जाल्लो थिंगा की एक स्टेजीर साउंड क्रॉस जाल्लो आनी मागीर DYSP गेल्लो थिंगा जिब्बा बद्दल बी आनी तेणे ती स्टेज बंद केली म्युजीक बंद केलो म्हणल्यार स्टेज बंद जालो हांव एक सांगूं सोदतां तुमकां की हांव पर्सनली गेल्लो थिंगा पळोवपाक कितें चलता आनी थर्ड पार्टी व्हेरीफाय करपाक लोक कंप्लेन करता कंप्लेन खऱ्या न्ही जाल्यार ऑर एक्चुअली वायलेशन चालू आसा हांव पावलो तेन्ना साउंड हांव खरें एडमीट करता लो आशिल्लो म्हणल्यार इट वॉज नॉट डिस्टर्बींग नॉट हर्टिंग पूण सेम टायम हांव पावलो तेन्ना तें एक स्टेजीचेर शटडावन जाल्लो हायकोर्टान इनकॉर्पोरेट केला कलेक्टराचे एक्शन प्लॅन it is not simply shut down. Shutdown will happen when the seizure takes place. So my question is, if there was a violation of the sound and you were trying to stop any one stage because of the sound violation in compliance with the High Court direction and in compliance with the collector's order, then there is no question of simply shutting down without seizing the equipment. How kidak sangta? Today is the last day for Surnburn. And God forbid, it may be a free for all. Like Zokmar, today last day am oitle, magi podoya kit jatle. It should not happen. If you have defaulted, that will be taken up when the matter comes up in the High Court as to what action should have been taken and not taken, whether there is a violation of the High Court order, even in compliance. Today, if this situation continues, then I would say the law enforcement authorities must seize the equipment, not simply stop the music, must seize the equipment. So this is the first part which I want to highlight. I want to bring it to the attention of the authorities so that they should know what are the wordings, because I don't expect them to carry order in their hand and pocket and start opening and reading at that time. They already know what it is. They know what are the duties they have to perform and I think they will perform in accordance with law. And if they fail, then they will be held accountable for it.